Alright, so this is a little study that I wrote. It's called Stillwater, and yes, if you want to have the tab, just comment Stillwater and I will send you the link to download the tab for free. We are in the key of E minor, and I just want to talk about one single topic today. I would like to talk about Let It Ring. That's the title. Okay, so this is such a slow piece. Every single note counts, and I need every single note to be nice and clean. And most of all, I need to be really careful when I'm moving my fingers around the neck here. I don't want to kill by accident the strings that are ringing. For example, when I go from that C, right? I have a C here, and then I go to D, to a D second, and my pinky goes from the 5th fret to the 7th. There, I must be careful. I have the open E string ringing, and when I'm moving my hand, I need to be careful not to kill that open E. And again, for example, here when I go to that A note, okay, I must be careful not to kill the first string and the 4th string. They are both ringing when I move my hand from here to the A note, and when I put this finger down, yeah, extra careful there. See, I had 3 strings ringing, and I need all those 3 strings. And right after that, I go to a G. And here I like to add some vibrato. You can really do it easily, pulling the neck like this. And I'm also pulling here. Then I go back to E minor, C, and the second time. This is even harder and more challenging because when I put the pinky down, I have the second, and the 4th string ringing, and I want to be able to do that movement. Right, I have 3 fingers down already, and now I need to add the pinky without touching the 4th string and the 2nd string. I know those are very little details, but I think they really make such a huge difference in your performance when you are playing, because everything again needs to be. Right now I killed the 2nd string. That was correct. Yeah, because there are not too many notes here, and yeah. So again, if you need the tablature for this, and if you feel like learning this study, just write Stillwater. That's the title of this little study, Stillwater, in the comments, and I will send you the link to download the tab for free. Yeah, again, pay extra attention to all these little details, and that really helps to take your performance to the next level, as they say. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see you as usual in the next video. Ciao ciao!